Nama, and no catch as a defense. Maswapa. Abdul, Eddie, Uti away no. Me who make out the Casa.
Now, come in chair on a min share for the min share Hussein, the honorable. I'm in chair see before more for recruitment and some team and pay. Minauka,
bruh,
dear, actually, a Sembia can look as a tree.
Right.
Or share your sister, my the womb, as on my lady at you. You general who pan can look as a tree. But you also share a day in the Banisa. So, Shako they established since 1947. The aim is say, Amuna, Amunju Kukun, and Tom, and Mark Ganafo. Yeah. Now, you could go including coffee and shea better. And Muju also began. Ya Jimmy san as okay, baby, I shall say a problem. Yet, last year or last 2 years, I say you have shortfalls in cocoa production. Because when you say, Mamma Gana had a day and say, a jolly brave friend syndicated loan. Syndicated loan use and crank crackable de boy, Busia. You just can't need a cocoa cocoa. You have a ton of nether or musicamo. In fact, as at 2016, net loan interest near 1.5%. By 2024, now bedroom 8%. Between 2023 and 2024, I couldn't remember so bina your commobos and say, I bet my produce maybe 800,000 metric tons of cocoa. It may be in a shortfall of maybe 200,000, 100,000 because of a disease be a buy any Yanuanum Galamsi, so I don't have a boss. So I better be whom say, ye koye ban ye boca because ye just canna intimate to Kodo Dora and Fanco. Interesting so quane cosru. Take a room of Pennsylvania meaty ye demand no for the cocoa. The last one and a Yantima receive syndicated loan. So you call into what we call a buyer's funded a bond. Say the omu better cocoa and casano, and first carry my near Fakoto call them wrong. And when we enter into this agreement, you won't me enter just like that. Or will be able to say, I say, James cannot go to Kumaman. We also agree on a price, not on the forward price. Say, that's what we call a Bremer. In a bedroom room, say, our boss says so, and the Bremy. Because Obiano or Obu says, Giscano, no cotton, and never sabe Tommy on the sports price. Say, Dana or the Bremen, Sena, yes, or Ton, son of a Tommy. And also, you shall say, you could just can't buy a cocoa to Kona, that price is society. Now, a dear friend, production is also as another challenge. Enti, kakra yakono, I couldn't remember so much. I didn't a Jeffrey in him. Now, one abayi buy, or so about two say, na a deca 32 billion. Now, yes, I own 333,000 metric tons. Yen Tim from Commadio Mice, Casse, Yen Toko couldn't brom. Tiabano say out of 32 billion now, a decano, buy 2.9 billion a year, a 29 billion a year, Cocorusa, ya engagement for say, Omuyama, Yentu Amoka, and a deca in cocoa about 10 billion. 1 year a Kakuma. Now, maybe some say, on my Yasha say cocoa Juma 1947. Echo permanent, and Titidena Tokoton, and I say yes, Tokoton and Yeno, Gogo, Coto, Nabeton, Cotonabeton, Guana, or say Yeno. Don't we know so also add value to it? By 2 years ago, 3 years ago, minimum almost out of Central. Now, just say, cocoa exported from Africa, mainly from Ghana and La Cote d'Ivoire, a value at $3 billion. By the time I could do last consumption, it's value about $150 billion. And all this while, you didn't say, as your mind, how many dollars also you free? Now, adding by adding value. Say, I told you, Kukuno, you require, you will go into the market as a customer market. Say, the auto gas price in the minton, you have no option. Minnesota in 1989, say, Master is it around 99, 89 or 87? One is because you cuckoo. Say, price in the Yenti, young tone, your toy, a baby, but she will go no memoir. And we never learned lessons. Say, you say, oh, say, Cocoa, Kona, and Toa, you never to the chocolate, you bet me the cocoa, Bibina, Eddie. No. So your choir be now is about obesity or better at this price and to create also suffer. Why do you have to do that? And then more technology I call so powerful maybe I could do to get into me dreams say yes you go your cotofree for you never to be there be cotona. That is one point. Another one say yen sheda am person ye beka no kura in this issue. Look, company biya no the expenditure including salaries of workers, allowances, na eka company expenditure and company liability. Obusa won say the cost you spend on workers of cocoa farmers ankasa omo ye kwafo no CEO, board member, director and I don't know. But also how much are they taking from scanner ye kokoton cocoa diaba no? Because the only avenue omo yeska a profit here from the sales are making. How much are they taking out? So if and now I mean say government is challenges so when team cocoa for because price in drop scan within that same period no you see we are able to procure 110 pickups, 4 Land Cruisers. And we say now what are you telling ordinary farmer? Ordinary farmer too no cocoa friends bags by 50 what's you want to anaka what all you know want to do what one was who got 110 pickups. What's up got 4 Land Cruisers? I am before no channel. As a tifina, let's be into India. Now say salad woody. Neighbors bufu. So I think say some of these issues they should look at it. Now, this pricing issue model I must say on my neighbor as a government somebody automatic adjustment formula neighbor. I've been asking myself, say, if this is a way to solution to your problem now, how are we adjusting it? Do you have limitation when it comes to price fall? Do we have it? So this limitation when it comes to price fall. One say this intervention one day GSM my bending because and then I drop it by 28%. Yeah, did. So today we drop by 50%. What do we do? Are we dropping it and I absorb? Let us know. So the take care by surprise or means so. If the argument the price adjustment formula and echo say so who want to 10,000 and 100,000 you bet 2 by 70%. And drop by 2,000 you bet 2 by 70% and let us know. But when I say cocoa continue to appreciate. What do we have say? One of the reasons about cocoa drop nowadays about this Middle East instability. I shall say from American Iran issue. Man say look to cocoa the most of the day the cocoa here at the NBD. Ti say we say me chocolate me ebia cocoa drink na me the Iran and I say Middle East and to come here and to there. And then we found cocoa gold into. So the thing is that once cocoa price was falling, gold price was appreciating. So at certain point also got a buying Minister of Finance who is in charge of both, you know. Because there should be some kind of coordination. Say we are making a windfall here, and a house we are shortfall. So let's try to balance it, kakra. Can you say trainer from November till now? This will go for ADD as an abaya kotra cabinet meet as an twist as kano. Sometimes you have to serve the ones the essence of ministers. Ministers should sometimes be thinking ahead of even the presidency. But you don't have to wait, say, you better say, a cabinet meeting, and Sana Bayaka, so, who share 53,000, 50,000 meditors about what I want young Cotoyano. So, I'll be torn at the normal price now before the reduction now. Abay has to reach $150 million, which is equivalent to 1.6 billion. No, they are Tuaka, now moving forward, no more money for all corner there. You better tell me 2,500 or so. Some of these adjustments should have been done earlier because Abayano one market as a company auto ABA Gary now Tomu. So you're making loose in Gary because I'm Fontona, you're making profits in Emua. It shouldn't affect the work of Gary because in the same thing, profit none ever find balance, yeah. But so what you ask about Otanaso now injecting our city stabilize it. Let me more for how do you explain? You don't have government of cocoa board and no government of gold bond. No. Yeah. You have one government for cocoa board and gold bond. So when there's short force here and then there's an increase, so that's all the balancing. I don't want to also to me akoka. Yeah, let me catch up for say. In everything, I don't think it has 100% advantage. See the appreciation, good, but it's advantage in the because canina na a signal 16 series, you know. And I didn't drop by $4,100 from $7,200 to $4,100 now. Can all convert it into 16 series? Can still a huge money. But the name you can say $4,100 in Abano per our currency appreciation is about 4,600 Ghana cedis, 46,000 Ghana cedis. And the also say next can have from whom? Why? Because you see more heading. So as I want to see the head, many of you say BBA is a man. This is a city heading. I'm a patrol for a patrol bob for one. You can say city heading is one price cocoa price is better for. It's simple as that. So don't enjoy. You can't reprobate and you can't approve the reprobate. So have it. It's always a near the bedding, but can also be the sitting in wow. That should be the thing you have to think about it. And one of the things I mean, is because sitting nighting, and then Bogas could have fear or the $10,000 but not Saris can I take it in the bottom. Why? Because it's sick and hiding. So I am the police, but I also make concentration. A cost super near the say, or my Ghana should begin to think, say, oh, quite best on the Faswa. You seedless and seeds of cocoa. You did be become one man, say, the young cotton or rose at $800,000 and $1 billion. About $25 billion, $30 billion. Let's come on about me. If within a year, $11 billion about system, and $12 billion about Ghana Moma. Now, to am I see the stabilizer? I imagine say about a year, $30 billion are injected into the economy. And I can see to dollar baby a 1-to-1. So I buying this is your take is a moving forward. Or move a share crime be a faswa. I make sure something will add value to cocoa should be of more interest to us. Me and look at say price cocoa, and can also say cocoa no ejia. You turn into something sunny at talk about it. And I think say a chakra now to the international price say no cocoa no usho could vary to about 2,800. Yeah, 2,500. The difference is about 300 cities. But the benefits are a woman and the same thing. Some of the benefits are cocoa farmers and Ghana. It's not at the same time as cocoa benefit are in Cote d'Ivoire. So okay, I'm using a cocoa farmer for time. The cocoa farmers in Cote d'Ivoire. The same thing I know Abdul friends say smuggling the cocoa a friends of Cote d'Ivoire cotton. When the government investigated the reason why I buy in Cote d'Ivoire Emma cocoa farmers in Muscari na be brain say on way free spraying. Or this come out or fertilizer best spray. But in Ghana free spraying. So it is up to us whether we want free spray and I say Jessica. Meanwhile Jessica we cannot produce more. The reason why the government want to do free spraying to ensure say or buy certain quantity or pay anytime be. So I am praying say well yes some of the things in the politics because sometimes we should look at the variables. At the time now a finance minister can say price also a tomb at this price man could do this thing. You should have considered other variables say na a more depth I down also no more to be cracker. And why been the tools of government say a car that same car na a damn son to a cracker. So they make our consider say let's look at one. Say you buy a system whereby a price no cost you be to ever for more limitations. But because of the adjustment formula gold price cocoa price are dropping from 4,000 to 3,500 and I say 2,000 I say okay I drop 50% most will go for say be dropping 50% and I'm only to blow kruma. So government should put a system whereby or bet me cushion and I absorb certain level at certain level. So the government focus on adding value to it. In fact, any bonus say we can raise the cocoa value to a level where the cocoa no you better more than 10 billion. I mean, this say yes, and never may more money, ever may stabilize the economy, and also by my phone, a friend say, Asunji. But finally, I didn't be on our phone say, up to now, we will say our concentration now was to pay them. What is the policy of government to ensure, say, a phone they will live well? Penny Akufado, I say, or the insurance system be brown. Meaning, so what insurance system has been able to be sustained. But now I'm Penny Akufado say, so insurance including housing policy be for careful. Meaning, so okay, other those policies still exist or not, I don't know. For this Equaphone. I don't know. Never cancel insurance. No, Akufado time. I'm sorry, they also launching visa for Coco. The same contribution for cocoa farming. I think we should look at it. Say yes, and now we just can go with you. That's your movie a Jumanum weaker. What are they going to benefit? I think that's my move. All
right, but that's I think the cocoa need a non crano. That would be better for a Maxwell. You have to two questions. I will just give you a minute or two to react to it. Just a minute.